मैं अपने ज़िंदगी के बारे में इतना सोचती हूँ कि एक्चुअली जीना भूल जाती हूँ। एंड सेइंग दैट आउट लाउड इज़, आई डोंट नो, it's a weird thing to admit because it makes me sound like I'm not even present in my own life. And I think honestly, I'm not fully here. Most of my best moments have happened in my head. Like, genuinely, the funniest version, the smartest version, the most confident version of me exists here. And that's, I don't know, it's very scary when you think about it. The best that I've ever felt about myself or my work, my channel, or anything, it's in my head. It's like imagining a version of myself that doesn't exist in reality. मैंने अपने लाइफ के इतने सारे फेजेस इमेजिन किए ना यहाँ पे कि अभी रियलिटी मुझे बहुत फीकी लग रही है. Like, that dopamine that actually comes when you imagine that version of yourself, मुझे वो feel होता है. That excitement that comes, and then I look up and I'm actually sitting and rotting in my bed, and this is the reality, and nothing has happened. And the thing that gets me, जो मुझे actually डरा देता है, is that I've been doing this for years and nobody knows about it. Like, this isn't new. मैं बचपन से अपने दिमाग में रहती हूँ. And for a long time, I thought it was normal. It's just who I am, typical only child thing. Sensitive, imaginative, and overthinker. I wore it like it was a very cool personality. Like, it was something that was interesting about me. But I don't think it's interesting anymore. I think it's just avoidance with a nicer name. Because here's what is actually happening when you live a life in your head. In your head, you control everything, है ना? There is no rejection, there is no awkward silence where you said the wrong thing and people are laughing at you. There is no version of events where you lose. You win everywhere. You're the successful person. तुम फनियर हो, तुम स्मार्ट हो, तुम वो सब कुछ हो जो तुम बनना चाहते हो, but only there. And it feels so good that after a while, real life starts to feel like the less interesting option. Real life isn't loud, and it is, inconvenient, and things don't go as we plan in real life. रियल लाइफ में लोग तुम्हारा मजाक उड़ाएंगे, लोग तुम्हें गलत साबित करने को ट्राई करेंगे. रियल लाइफ में तुम शायद हर मुकाम पर सक्सेस नहीं पाओगे. It's like that is the reality. So then that becomes so like इतना discomfort feel होता है. Then you again go back inside your head where it is safer, it is convenient, it is happy there. And ये cycle continue रहता है, and I've been in that. मैं अभी भी इसमें हूँ honestly, and मुझे अभी realize हुआ after talking to my therapist. There are days where I will plan everything in my head, my future, how my next 6 months will look like, how my content will look like, how my personality should be, how should I deal with people, what should I do with my life. And in reality, I will not make it क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है मैंने इधर तो कर दिया ना. Because in my head, it already went well. I already got what I want in my head. तो अभी एक्चुअल में करने का जरूरत क्या है, राइट? जरूरत ही नहीं है. And I know how that sounds, okay, but I think a lot of people who are like me, they do this and they just don't say it out aloud because it does sound insane. I am feeling like an insane person. It sounds like, Sonali, you do need help, and that's why I'm seeking help. But I genuinely believe most people who are going through this, they are overthinkers. They are actually just people who found out a really comfortable life, where they can live their best version without taking any of the risk, that living as a person requires. And the risk is the whole point of being a human being. The risk is where everything real happens. मैंने एक बार किसी से बात किया था, एक सिचुएशन थी मेरे लाइफ में कुछ मंथ्स पहले, एंड आई हैड रिहर्स्ड दैट conversation so many times, every possible version, what I would say, what they would say, how it would go, how the conversation will end. And when that thing actually happened in reality, it went in a completely different way, and I was disappointed. I just froze when it actually happened because I had practiced every version except the real one. And the real one did not follow the script that I had here. That's what living in your head does to you. It makes real life look like, it's doing something wrong. Like it makes your real life look very boring. और जो चीज मुझे सबसे ज्यादा डर लगता है ना, it's like there was this evening I was just sitting, not doing anything, and I started thinking about everything. I had imagined do whatever I thought I would do in the last 2 years. Places I would go, things I'd make, conversations I'd have, versions of myself I'd become. And the thought about what had actually happened, what I'd actually done, and the gap between those two versions, what I thought I would do in the last 2 years and what I actually did, it is very disappointing. It's like time nikal gaya, and I had been so busy living a version of my life that did not exist, that doesn't exist, that I hadn't really shown up to the one that does. And that's the cost. That's the thing nobody tells you about spending too much in your head. It's not that you're lazy, it's that you don't care. It's that it's matlab, it's that you're getting just enough of what you need from the imaginary version. ऑलरेडी तुमने यहाँ पे जितना भी क्रिएट किया है ना, उसके बाद तुमको लगता है कि यू नेवर फील द फुल हंगर that would actually make you move in reality. Fake dopamine, that's what it is. And life starts to feel very dull, not because it is, but because you've been cheating yourself out of the real version of it for so long that you've kind of forgotten what real feels like. I feel like clarity doesn't come from overthinking. It comes from doing that thing that you wanted to do and finding out what's actually there. You know, करने के बाद क्या होगा. Or I feel like real life, it's always going to be messy, है ना? It's always going to be less perfect than what you imagined. Your imaginary life will always be better, but it's the only one that is actually yours. Your real life is yours. The version that you have created in your head, no matter how good it feels, वो तुम्हारा नहीं है. वो तुमने बनाया है तुम्हारे लिए, ताकि तुम सेफ फील कर सको, ताकि तुम कंफर्टेबल कर सको. एंड सेफ इज नॉट द सेम एज फीलिंग अलाइव, आई फील. बस यही कहना था. दैट वाज माय कन्फेशन.